Hey everyone, CPO here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I get the daily Wall Street Journal crossword puzzle onto my Supernote A5X. So I came across this idea from one of my viewers who commented on my if this then that method for getting the XKCD comic strip to my Supernote using Dropbox. And so he said this would be something really cool for crossword puzzles. And I'm like, that is a good idea. So I tried to do it with if this, then that. I couldn't figure it out. I came up with another solution, though. If you know of a better way, please let me know in the comments. And I'm just going to be honest with you. This is not, it's simple, but it's not as plug and play as something like a website that you can go configure. So we're going to do some scripting with PowerShell and some task scheduling on our computer. So I'm using a Windows 10 computer. If you're using Windows, you'll probably be able to do this really easy. If you're using a Mac, I don't know. There's probably a way to do something similar in a Mac. But again, this is the Wall Street Journal daily crossword puzzle. And as you can see, every single day, I've been getting the updated one. And I thought it would be really cool to do. And it's kind of nice to have an e-ink device. With Crossword, there's only one of them that actually has any content on them, this guy right here. But, it's nice to have it there when I'm, doing something and I have some free moments. I could just, go in there and, do crossword puzzle. So let me show you how this works here. So the Wall Street Journal, I found, has this puzzle page. And on this puzzle page, you can see the different crossword puzzles. Matter of fact, here is Fridays, which is the same as this one on my Supernote that we were just looking at. So not only can you do the crossword online, there's a download PDF button right here. If you click that, it takes you to the PDF version of the crossword puzzle, which should look really familiar because that's exactly what you see on the Supernote. And I'm having it automatically done. I don't have to do anything. I just sync my my A5X in the morning and these things show up like magic. So the way I did this is I realized that when you click that PDF link, there is a consistent web address that these documents live, and I can predict the file name of future documents because the file name involves the date. So XWD crossword daily, I'm assuming, 01 for January, 22 for January 22nd, and 2021 for January 22, 2021. So with that in mind, I figured out if I can make a script that will automatically get the current date and then go look for, build a URL and go get the current date's version, it would work, and it does. So the way we're going to do this is using PowerShell. Now, PowerShell is a very powerful administration tool for Windows, but you don't need to know anything about PowerShell to make this work. Matter of fact, we're not even going to open PowerShell. We're going to use two things. We're going to use Notepad to make a text file, which is going to have our script, and we're going to use Task Scheduler to schedule a task that's going to run daily to go check for the latest crossword puzzle. So you're going to open up Notepad, and this is the text for the script. It's a really simple script, and there's probably an easier way to do it. I'm going to copy this and paste it into the video description here on YouTube, and then you can just make a file of your own. Just copy that. You're going to need to change the things that are specific to your computer and where you want to put it on your Supernote, but the rest of this should work fairly well. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try and help you out. I know not everybody's scripting, and some of you are throwing up in your mouth a little bit right now with this. But for the rest of you, let's check this out. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just getting the current month, day, and year, and then putting it in the format that we need. And then I'm building a URL variable that includes exactly everything we need that's going to change day to day to day. And then we're building our output location. In this case, I'm saving it to my Dropbox Supernote location. And let me come over here to the Supernote, and you can see we have, just like we saw on the screen, Supernote, document, crossword, and that's where it is. So we go back to the computer screen, Supernote, document, crossword. So yeah, so that's that. And then this last line is just the actual query that we're going to run. So we're building it with the first 5 lines and then just running it with that. So we have this. Save it to something you can remember. I did get_crossword, so I know what it is, and it's .ps1 for PowerShell script. That's .ps1. So save that somewhere, and then what we're going to do is open up Task Scheduler. Now, Task Scheduler, you can come in here in your search bar, type in task space, and you'll probably get it as one of your top hits. You're either going to get Scheduler or Manager. So open up Scheduler, and then what we're going to do is create a task that's going to run daily. And I've already got one here. It's called Get Daily Crossword Puzzle for Supernote. I'm going to open up the properties here so we can see it. But for you, if you haven't done this before, you just come in here and do Create Task. Just click this right here in the actions, and it will open up a blank one for you. And then all you have to do is follow along with what I'm showing you here. So I named it Get Daily Crossword Puzzle for Supernote. Name it whatever you want. I did select run whether user is logged on or not, and do not store password. That's not needed for this. And then that's it on that page. So the next thing I did is triggers, which you do new trigger. And then what you're going to want it to do is run every day. I have it set to run at 5 a.m. daily and recur every single day. The daily crosswords are actually published the day before at like 4 p.m. So running at 5 in the morning should get the most current days. And then when you sync your Supernote in the morning, it'll be there for you. Then the next thing I want to do is create an action. And this one is where we're going to put the script that we made. And it's PowerShell.exe is the program. And then the arguments is going to be our file location. So you can see here, C:\users\var for me, /getCrossword.ps1. That's where mine is stored. And so that's right here in the arguments. And then program, just put PowerShell.exe. You don't have to know anything about PowerShell. Just put that in there and it will run it for you. And that's really it. There are no conditions you need to mess with. I think everything else is fine. You can set, like, it will start out by default saying only run if the computer's on AC power. I just turned that off because it doesn't really matter for me. Anyway, did okay, and then there you go, 5 a.m. every day. By the way, I also have a script that's going to go get the Wall Street Journal puzzle, the Sudoku puzzle, every week. That runs on Saturdays using a very similar script. I'm not going to go into that. If you want information on that, let me know in the comments, and we can talk about that. But that's it. Every morning, your computer is going to go in and query that URL. So let me show you how that URL works real quick. So just so you know, PowerShell, this is extracurricular right here. This is not necessary to know how this works, but I thought I would show it for you that were interested. So really, you're done if you wanted to do this and we're just following along. But let's look here. Whoops, I opened it up twice. At our PowerShell make this. So this is our script. And basically what I'm doing is exactly this. I'm running this automatically, but I'm going to run it here a line at a time so you can see what's happened. So we're going to set a variable M for the month, set a variable D for the day, and it's all formatted where we need it. Set a variable Y for the year, and then we're going to create a URL based off of those, and then hit return. And then we're going to create an output location based on those. Now, I renamed them to make it a little bit easier to read, month-day-year. It made more sense to me to rename it that way. So now, if we show you what URL looks like, that's where we're going to go, because today is the 22nd. It's going to go get the one for the 22nd. And the output file, oops, helps if I can type it. is going to be 0122-2021, which is what it was actually on the Supernote. And then the last thing we're going to do is just run this command and then hit return. It goes out and gets it, and boom, it's done. You'll see nothing. It does nothing. It will just show up in your Dropbox. Now, you do not have to run this manually, but I'm just showing you that's what this script does automatically every day at 5 a.m. for me. So anyway, guys, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. As usual in the comments, I'm happy to try and respond. But I thought this was an interesting way, and honestly, I didn't come up with a better way. So if you've got a better way, please let me know. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.